Hello my viewers, welcome back to my YouTube channel. On today's video, I want to make strips of ruffles. So if you're interested, let's move on from here. So the number one thing you're going to be doing is turning the tension of your machine to 1 or 0. Like this, it is more tight, which is on number 9, but I'll be turning the tension to 0. I can make it 1. So the next thing you're going to be doing is turning the machine to the way it's going to make it gathers for us. If you are sewing a normal sewing is going to be on 2 or 2.5, but for the gather sewing we'll make it 4. So it's going to be on gather sewing, which is 4, and the tension is going to be on 1 or 0. 1 or 0, depends on what you want. So let's get started. So today I thought we'll be making strips of ruffles, and these are the strips that I've gotten already. I've gotten the strips already, and depends on how much you want it. Like this depends on the space you wanted it, but a normal size is going to be on 3 inches. This is on 3 inches. The next thing we're going to be doing now is starting the pleating. You can place about 3, 4 or 5 together, depending on how puffy you wanted yours. Depends on how you want it, but what I'll be doing, I'll be placing 3 on each other. This is 1, and this is 2, and this is the third one, making 3. So, and we'll make sure we sew at the middle. Sew it in the middle. So make sure by the time you're sewing, you should always adjust. When you place the 3 together and you put your 2 fingers this way, you adjust by sewing. And you keep smoking like you're shifting the tool. You keep shifting the tool. Keep shifting the tool. You adjust when it looks rough on the way. You adjust it. You keep shifting the tool. So you keep sewing. The reason why we made it loose sewing is that after sewing like this, you can actually adjust how it looks. You can see what it looks like. See the one I've adjusted. You can actually adjust it to whatever you want by adjusting it. If you know how to do gathers, you just have to pick a thread. You pick one of the threads and adjust it. You can see the way it's adjusting. You can adjust it. You can make it not too tight. This is it. And you can make it closer. Depends on how full you want it. So let's move on. And if you want a longer strip before this one ends, you join another 3 to it. You might decide to join 2, depends on what you want, but I will join 3 to mine. This is another strip, the third one, third strip. So you join it like this. And you continue sewing. Straighten along the way. So after sewing, and you have made it so tight this way, like the way you wanted it. If you want to place it on a fabric, you're still going to place your sewing on this same sewing part so that it won't look rough. So after this strip again, you can pick another one and join it again. Depends on how long you want it. If you want it to keep going longer and longer, you keep joining the strips of tulle net and you keep sewing, you keep joining and sewing, you keep joining and sewing. And after everything, you can now draw one of the threads to make it full, and then you have your ruffle strips. So this is just a loose sewing. You use a loose sewing, and that is it. This is what it will look like. But by the time you start pulling the threads, so let's just pull this thread. Just take one of the thread. This was the one we started with, which is the longer thread. And make sure when you are pulling a particular thread, make sure it's that thread you keep pulling. Don't pull the second one so that it won't get locked. So this is the same thread we've been pulling, and you continue pulling. Continue pulling till you get your perfect ruffle, the exact size you want. So remember, we cut the strips on 3 inches. Depends on how you folded it. You cut on 3 inches, and you put your tension on 1 or 0, which is the loose part, and you also put your sewing tension. Like this is your thread tension, this is your sewing tension, so it's 2 different things. You keep pulling and pulling until you get your desired ruffle. You can see it's taking shape, and I love what I'm seeing. See what it's giving us? I love what I am seeing. So beautiful. And you can use this for so many things. You can use it for your sleeve, you can use it for your skirt, you can use it for baby dress. Like this one I'm doing, I'm going to use it for a baby dress. And you can see how tight this lace is. Even if you want it as tight as this, it's so lovely. This is so beautiful. If you want it a little bit loose, if you want it a little bit tight, and that is all about the way we can make our two net as our ruffle strip. And this is it after I finish sewing the old strip. So you can see how lovely it is. I hope you like and you also share. And if you haven't subscribed to, try and subscribe to my YouTube channel right away to give you more tips. Thank you. I love you guys. Bye bye. See you in my next video.